If you want to change the currency of your Stand store, this video will show you how to do it. It is really easy to do so let's get started and change the currency of our Stand store really quickly. So you will log in and you'll be in your dashboard, which looks like this when you first log in. Then on the left-hand side menu, you will go to Settings, click on that. Then under your settings, you'll have a new menu up at the top with profile, integrations, billing, etc. Once you click on payments, you will see that you have your payment methods up at the top. And then in the middle, you have currency. So with currency, it is going to default to whatever you have set up in the beginning of setting up your Stand store. But if you click this drop down, you can see all of the different currencies that you can change it to. So if you have it on US dollar and you've moved to Australia and you want to change it, you can then click on Australian dollar and then click Save Currency. So since you have saved Australian dollar, if you go over to income, you can see that your income now shows in Australian dollars instead of the US dollar, which mine previously showed. So it does update instantly, which is really nice. And I will really quickly change it back just so that you can see how that works. So you saw it in the Australian dollar, and now if we go back to income, it will update pretty quickly, like as we looked at it, to the US dollar. So that's how you change your currency. If this video was helpful, definitely subscribe to Create with Pennies, where we talk about creating income online, and watch this video on Stan next.